been quite a while since I recorded, and I gotta say I'm quite rusty. As you guys can see, it's been a while, and I apologize for that. It's been 6 months since my last video, and it's Alcoholic Anonymous or something. What is this? What's going on here? Anyways, welcome to the new casa, guys. There's been a lot of changes in these last 6 months. I am now going to school full-time. I'm in college. I'm also trying to successfully start a business. It's been rough, playing with a lot of things, so I'll get back to you guys on that aspect. I just want to say hello. I missed you guys. Some of you guys have been hitting me up and asking where I've been, what's been going on, and I apologize for that, guys. It's just, life happens. As a man with a wife and 4 kids, I gotta prioritize some things, and I gotta make money. YouTube wasn't making what I had hoped in the time that I was doing it. I am back to making videos. I am prioritizing it right now. I definitely want to do this as much as possible. I'm gonna try and put out at least a couple videos a week. I want to get back to making videos. And for those of you who follow my second channel, I am trying to do a gaming channel that's called The Grizzly Guild. So check that out, description below if you guys want to support. We're trying to get that channel to 1,000 subscribers so that we can actually start monetizing it. See, YouTube is a fickle bitch. Monetization is horrible on YouTube, especially when anybody can go ahead and copyright claim your content and there's really nothing you can do about it. So if you guys do want to support either channel, go ahead and subscribe to that new channel so we can get it rolling, and then we can have some fun times, guys. Play some video games with me, hit me up. I'm gonna start social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter for the new channel. Expect more from that in the very, very near future. Gonna be playing with some good friends. I really want to get this channel back on track though. And as you notice, there are quite a few bikes behind me. So I've got some new vehicles, I got a new bike. I got a Harley Street Bob 2020, fantastic, loving the new Softails. If you guys are not into bikes, really, I'm not gonna be doing too much car stuff. I do have my Land Cruiser, the FJ80, and I will be doing some stuff on that in the very near future. However, budget. It all comes down to budget. And that's one thing about automotive content, motorcycle content, whatever kind of content it is, where you have to buy parts or get sponsorships, or it's very expensive. It's just not feasible to do that many videos on it when you don't have that kind of income. So I really wanna find a way to make content consistently without worrying about crushing my budget, buying all these parts or reviews, et cetera. Because the thing about YouTube is, if I put out videos, which I have done in the past, that are not related to Volkswagen or automotive, YouTube shuts it down real quick because it just doesn't get the engagement, the clicks. And I don't want to resort to, the Logan Pauls of the world and just start doing all kinds of crazy clickbait and things that just aren't me. So I need to find a structure, a business plan per se, of how I can keep the channel going consistently without breaking the bank, and also think about things like scalability and what's actually interesting to you guys. But in the meantime, I do have some stuff for my bike. If you guys are down to watch that, I'm gonna throw a new seat. I got a quarter fairing for the Harley, some good stuff that's coming by. So today we're just gonna chill out, we're gonna hang out, kind of catch up, and then we'll see where it goes from there, guys. I'm not gonna make any promises because I really don't know what the future holds right now. But for now, guys, let's just go with it one day at a time. It's really dark in here, so I'm sorry for that. I hope you guys can see. I can barely see myself. But it is so nice to be making content again, guys. I have missed this so much. It feels so good. And I can't wait to honestly sit down and edit this because that's like one of my favorite parts. I just love getting that creative outlet. But check it out, guys. It's my new 2020 Street Bob Softail Harley Davidson. got a part right over here that actually just came in the mail. Let's see if I can pick it up with one hand and a foot. There we go. There we go. That's so much better. Okay, I just had to mess with the settings. Like I said, sorry guys, I'm rusty. It's gonna take me a while to get back into this, but thank you for sticking around. New seat from Lucky Dave's. This thing was freaking stupid expensive, dude. Like $600 for a seat. But one thing I'll tell you is that this seat, absolutely atrocious. It's horrible. Like you accelerate and the first thing you do is you're just flipping right off of it. Not comfy at all. So I did a 4-hour ride over in Arizona on this thing with a club that we ride with. They're called the Marine Riders. It was fun. I loved it. Great group, great bike. But there's a couple of things that we need to mess with. So this seat's gonna make a huge difference, as well as a quarter fairing that I got for the front to kind of deflect wind over the bike a little bit, which will help with resistance on the highway. But for now, let's crack open this bitch. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. She got some packages. The Amazon driver actually just stopped by right now and brought us a whole bunch of new packages, which I'm pretty sure are for the bike. So we're gonna go ahead and look through these. The funny part, actually, is he walks up and he sees me recording, right? And he's like, hey, you do cinematography, photography, YouTube? And I was like, yes, I do. I gave him my number. We're not sure what he's looking for, but basically what I was thinking about, guys, and I've had many people contact me regarding this topic, is if you guys are interested in becoming a YouTuber or getting into the cinematography, photography game, or just online content creation, I want to create some kind of network to help people get into this kind of thing. So if you guys are interested in doing that, if you guys want to get together, if you want me to show you how to become a YouTuber, how to make money doing it, I will make another video tomorrow about that. I want to create a team, a network, people in California or even throughout the country who can get together and kind of work, collab, bounce ideas off of each other and kind of help each other grow. That's what I want to do. So if you guys are interested, hit me up. All right, so we have the beautiful, the illustrious Lucky Dave seat. Now we just need to install it. Let's see if I can flip it around. It looks very nice. It's got like a little riveting system all the way down through it. Nice rubber grommets to protect the paint from marring and things of the such. Let's go ahead and put it on. All right, just got back from test riding the new seat, and I have to say, I'm gonna be honest with you guys here, okay? No bias, I did buy the seat, spent $600 of my own money on that seat, so here's my honest opinion. It is, without a doubt, the best mod you could ever do on this bike. It will have the largest impact out of anything. The seat position is so much more comfortable. The seat itself is much better. It bolsters you in, that little like dip and the back support, amazing. When you hammer it, you're held in place. You have zero doubt about sliding off the back, and it feels phenomenal. It just holds you in tight. It's like think of it like a Recaro racing seat of a motorcycle, of the motorcycle world, basically. It's absolutely amazing. Worth every penny. So if you guys have a Street Bob or some other bike that has a stock seat and you feel like you're sliding off, get something with a high back. Get like a Saddleman or a Lucky Dave's or something that'll hold you in place so that you can just give it some go juice and just feel nice in place. But I gotta say, I absolutely love it. I am not regretting purchasing it at all, even though $600 is a lot of money. It's worth it. The bike was far more expensive, so come on, Harley. Why don't you, have some better seats from stock? That'd be nice. It is what it is. I'm gonna bring the bike back in. I think that's all we're gonna do for today, guys. It's just way too hot to film anymore. But if you guys are liking this new content, you wanna see more bike stuff, let me know. I definitely wanna do another video probably tomorrow about getting into YouTube. If you guys are interested in that, DM me, guys, social media in the description below. Thank you guys for watching again. It's great to be back, and I'll see you guys in the next one.